Never too late to chase your dream, but the more grateful you are, the more things God will give you to be grateful for. God in the blessing business, man. I live my life with the expectation that God gonna do something great for me today. No, I'm good, man. Because even when I wake up and I ain't myself, I just get all right with it. I start with, well, at least I'm still here. That's a good one. Secondly, I got some measure of health. I'll take that. And then you never know how the day gonna go. I could get a phone call, contract come in or something, make me smile, so I just wake up and go and get at the day, see what God got for me. I expect great things to happen. I really do. I live my life with the expectation that God gonna do something great for me today. And he normally don't let me down, because I am one of his favorites. All you gotta do is claim it. You know, you can be a favorite if you just ask. He has millions of favorites. You can be one. Just say, hey, could I be a favorite? Then all he wants you to do is talk to him every day. If you talk to him every day, he'll put you on the favorite list. And then a lot of stuff start happening to you. But a lot of people, you have not because you ask not. You don't ask to be on the favorite list, so you don't get to be a favorite. I'm one of his all-time favorites. I don't care what happened to me, he gonna take it and turn around. You know how many times they done laughed at me out in public? The Miss Universe. Oh, he the stupidest ever. Oh, they canceled Little Big Shots and his talk show. Okay. Well, got to make room for something else. Little did I know, I was going to run be a judge on TV. Started. It's never too late. It's never too late to be great. It's never too late. Never. Started. Never too late to chase your dreams. Never too late. God in the blessing business, man. When has he ever been too late? There's no such thing. He's never been late. He's never missed an appointment. He's the most right time individual ever created. It's never too late. Kentucky Fried Chicken, you know the story? This guy had been walking around with this chicken recipe for decades. Nobody believed in him. He started that chicken recipe in his 20s. 7 special spices, nobody. In his 60s, they gave him his first franchise. He was the #1 chicken seller in the world until Chick-fil-A was born. Chick-fil-A sells more chicken than anybody in the world. This dude right here, thank you, man. This dude right here, he in his 60s. Look at the picture of Colonel Sanders on that bucket. He was old. In a good mood? Grateful you woke up today? You start your day with gratitude, it changes your attitude, it immediately changes your altitude. Gratitude is one of the most forgotten principles of success. But the more grateful you are, the more things God will give you to be grateful for. You need this thing that God passes out that you can't earn. It's called grace. He gives you grace. He just do you a solid. Just for no real reason. It's just because I ask God for grace all the time. I say, God, just give me some grace today. The fact that I feel better, that's grace. You don't have to get better, your health can worsen. So whenever he does something for you, you gotta consider it, So my life is a lot of grace and favor, man. A lot of, look, I work hard, but I know a lot of people work hard, man. This life I have, my father worked way harder than me.